Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. We just finished recording another episode of Hungry Girl Chew the Right Thing. If you don't know what that is, it's our podcast. I record it every other week with Jamie and Mikey. And this week we had a Trader Joe's haul. It's our first Trader Joe's haul of the year. And I wanted to share with you a standout product that I absolutely loved that we tried and we talked about in this episode. So it's a dark chocolate peanut butter date Royale, and they are special dates filled with peanut butter and enrobed in dark chocolate. You get 3 of these for 140 calories. Totally worth it. And I want to just give you a little sneak peek about what they look like, and then I'll taste it and I'll describe the amazing flavor to you. So here they are. They're a nice size. You get 3 of these for 140 calories. Just bit into that. You can see there's peanut butter in the middle. So yummy, rich, chocolatey. The stats are great. Very unique. Trader Joe's hit it out of the park with this one. A lot of times they just do copycat versions of things you see everywhere. This is a very unique product. I highly recommend it. To hear and find out all about the other stuff we tried and hear what we think of it, tune into the podcast this week. There's a link somewhere below and you should click on it. All right, have a great day.